Hi there. My name is Avatar Sam. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Change Your Mind, Change Your World. Welcome to day 3 of learning how to apply the laws of power to get a competitive edge in your life. Applying these laws can help your personal growth, professional development, leadership and relationship building if understood and applied correctly. So, let's get started. The third law is to conceal your intentions. Keep others in the dark about your true goals. An example of this would be, when negotiating a deal or trying to get ahead in your career, it's often best to keep your cards close to your chest and not reveal your true intentions. This allows you to have more control and flexibility in the outcome. There's many good reasons to keep your secrets and intentions to yourself. When you talk about all your goals out loud, your brain releases dopamine, and you actually feel like you're accomplishing these goals when in fact you haven't started doing anything yet. So just relax and imagine what it is like to accomplish your goals and get started in private, in order to not derail yourself. Also, you have to keep in mind that there are always people who will envy you and do not want you to succeed. If you tell people where you plan on going, you make yourself an easy target. You end up giving step-by-step instructions on how to hit you where it hurts. In conclusion, the third law of power reminds us that true strength often comes from the ability to bring together seemingly opposing forces and find a balance. By learning to synthesize and integrate different viewpoints and approaches, we can create something greater and more powerful than any one element alone. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, change your mind, change your world.